Hey besties, the SM 3D sale is finally here from May 1 to 3. So tara, mag-shopping tayo at SM City San Fernando downtown. Every 1,000 purchase is equal to 1 raffle entry to win a car from Suzuki. So first stop, department store. Grabe ang display, nakakagana talaga mag-shopping. So dumiretso ako sa men's shoes and finally, mabibili ko na yung matagal kong gustong bilhin na shoes. Buti na lang naka-sale. Look guys, sobrang ganda niya kasi and perfect talaga siya pang everyday errands or pang work. Next, accessories. Got myself shade kasi may Elliot Trip plans. Perfect for summer. 20% off kaya sobrang sulit niya guys. Then quick stop naman sa home section. May utos si ma'am so I grab mugs and tumblers naman for may pamangkins. And look besties, even kitchen items naka-sale din sila. Then after that besties, naglakad-lakad lang ako sa mall tapos napadaan ako dito sa bench. Then naalala ko, ubos na yung perfume ko so I pick up two. One for everyday and one for work. Then dumaan na din ako dito sa pen shop guys and akala ko window shopping lang talaga. Ending besties, nabudol ako ng 3 tops. Perfect for events guys. Lalo na ngayon, sobrang dami kong ganap. And of course, hindi mawawala ang Watsons kapag nag-mall ako. Nag-restock lang ako ng mga everyday essentials ko besties tapos ilang mga makeup like blush on, ganon. Nabudol din ako dun sa mga buy one take one nila guys like lotion. Bibigay ko sa mama ko and for my sister. Last stop ko besties, kain. Dito ako sa Black Rust Pizza. Carbonara, chicken pops, and rice lang yung kinain ko. Plus yung red tea. Grabe guys, nagulat ako. Super affordable lang pala dito. So ayun lang besties, nakakapagod siya pero at the same time, nabili ko lahat ng needs ko and won. So yeah, enjoy shopping and don't miss the SM3D sale. See you around. Bye!